Welcome guys, we have another Cummins engine with complete. This is his hydraulic pump, transmission, controls. I will give you 360 look of this engine. This is very powerful engine for loader. You can see everything is neat and clean and in working condition. So if you want to buy for your loader, do contact Talal Al Jazeera Trucks Heavy Equipment, Sharjah Industrial Area 3. This is the other side. You can see this is the generator. This is the other side of this engine. You can see everything is installed. It is ready to go. Just buy and install in your loader. These are the turbos, exhaust. Thank you guys.